fully automated packaging production line for mung beans. The 8-head tilting bottle washer uses high-pressure clean airflow to perform all-round blowing and cleaning, effectively removing dust and particles from the bottles and providing a clean bottle source for filling. The UV sterilization tunnel allows the cleaned glass bottles to pass through, where ultraviolet light irradiates the inner walls of the bottles without contact, effectively killing surface microorganisms. The multi-head combined weighing and filling machine has high filling accuracy, ensuring that the weight of mung beans in each bottle is accurate and consistent, and effectively controlling costs. After filling, each bottle automatically passes through a high-precision weight detection machine, and the bottles that do not meet the weight requirements are automatically rejected. This dual-head servo capping machine is driven by a servo motor, enabling synchronous capping from both heads. After the cap is screwed on, electromagnetic induction technology instantly activates the aluminum foil gasket inside the cap, causing it to fuse tightly with the bottleneck. Labeling machine performs high-speed, single-sided labeling on glass bottles, resulting in smooth, bubble-free labels, clearly display product information and brand image, enhancing shelf appeal. The entire production line is based on high-precision weighing and double sealing, enabling automated and efficient production.